You may be believing these 5 lies as a virtual assistant, and that is why you are not progressing. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my beautiful face, then I'm excited to welcome you into this growing community of virtual assistants and work from home enthusiasts. All you need to do to join this amazing community is to click the like button and also click the subscribe button, and you're a part of us automatically. And once you do that, please let me know in the comment section. Just comment done, and I will send you a warm hug and also a special gift just for you. If you're a virtual assistant feeling stuck, questioning yourself and wondering why things aren't working for you, then these are some of the lies you're probably believing that is holding you back. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down 5 common lies that I are telling that is sabotaging your process and your progress. And I'll also be telling you the truth so that you can set yourself and your virtual assistant business free. Let's get right into it. Lie number 1, which is very common, it is, I need to take another course before I can get a client. The truth is, you probably already know enough to start, because no matter the point you are at, there is always a client for you. Not all clients are as professional as you. Not all clients even understand what a professional is. So all you need to do is find the clients that are where you're at the moment, need the kind of support that you can offer them at the moment, and offer your support to them. And note that clients do not hire degrees, they hire reliability, proactiveness, and results. So start where you are, learn as you grow. One thing you don't know is that confidence comes from doing and not just learning. So the more you do, the better you become. Lie number 2 is, no one will pay me less than $3 per hour, or no one will pay me more than 50,000 naira in Nigeria. That is a lie though. Truth is, the right client will pay high rates for specialized skills and expert virtual assistants. Note that the fact that you're getting 50,000 naira right now, or less than 50,000 naira, or less than $3 or $3, doesn't mean you will never get more than that. If you know that you want to scale, you want clients that will pay you more, then of course you need to increase your expertise. You need to improve your way of getting results, and then you can position for those kind of clients. Most people actually started like that, but they are not there today. Case in point, me. So my advice for you is to charge based on the problem that you solve, not just your location, based on the problem you solve. Lie number 3 is, Upwork is not good for Nigerians, or clients do not hire Nigerians or Africans on Upwork. This is a complete lie, because guess what? Sometime last year, I challenged myself to get on Upwork and get a client. So I started a 60 days job application challenge, and in less than 60 days, I got my first client. And between then and now, which is less than 6 months or a little over 6 months, I have earned over $5,000 from Upwork without applying for any job at all. Anyways, I created an ebook for that. You can click the link in the description box to get it. Upwork is a big marketplace, and even if there are definitely some clients that will not go for Nigerians, it doesn't mean that is how Upwork is. It just means that some clients have a preference to the people that they want to work with. But there are clients on Upwork that hire Nigerians, that hire Africans, and they give you long-term gigs. So please stop believing that lie. Just learn how to position yourself properly, and you may just land your first job in less than 30 days. Lie number 4, I think, is the fact that I am not good enough because I don't have experience. I always tell my students, experience does not necessarily mean something that somebody paid you to do. Experience just means mastery of a skill, or the ability of a skill the ability of you doing a skill and also getting results with that skill. So whether somebody has paid you to do it or not, as long as you know what you do, you know the problem you solve, you know the solution and transformation you bring with that particular skill, you have experience. So stop shooting yourself on the foot. Also note that everyone starts somewhere. Experience is built through actions, whether volunteering, interning, organizing, all of these counts. Also, don't underestimate your past skill. I'm sure you've heard of something called skill mapping. You can do that from your other jobs and it becomes experience. If you would like to learn more about this, just comment skill mapping in the comment section and I will create a detailed video that will teach you how to do that. And line number 5, which is the last, is that virtual assistant is just a side hustle. Duh, in 2025, virtual assistant is a true career path and a big business opportunity. Your virtual assistant career can actually become your full-time job. It can become a thriving business for you if you see it like that. It just depends on how you see it. Because guess what? I have been a virtual assistant for almost a decade. I have gone full-time into virtual assistant since 2021, and that is what I've been doing till now. So will you say virtual assistant is just a side hustle? I hope you change your mind about that moving forward, because your VA journey can actually fund your lifestyle and fund the lifestyle of your family, only if you show up like that, of course, because you cannot become it if you don't believe it. Yeah, that is the end of this video. But let me know in the comment section, how many of these lies have you told yourself before? How many of these lies were you believing? I will go first. One of the lies I used to believe was the fact that Upwork was not exactly for Nigerians, and that's why I never bothered about Upwork. But guess who is earning a lot on Upwork right now? Me, even without putting in any effort, because most of the times people actually send me invitations and I just apply, interview, and jobs. Anyways, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, share this video to all of your virtual assistant friends that have been believing this lie, and I will see you in my next video. If you like this video, you are certainly going to like my next video.